cleaning floors isn't exactly thrilling. No one's throwing a party over a sparkling kitchen tile, but there's something weirdly satisfying about watching a sticky mess disappear with one smooth pass of a mop. And if you've ever had to crouch down with a sponge and bucket to scrub dried sauce or muddy footprints, you already know. A good steam mop can feel like a small miracle. It's not the kind of gadget people show off like a new espresso machine or robot vacuum, but it might be the one you reach for most. We look at steam time, heat up speed, handling, and real-world cleaning performance. These are the top 5 steam mops that actually make life easier. Links to all the steam mops mentioned in this video are in the description below. Number 5. BLACK + DECKER HSM13E1. If you're just dipping your toes into the steam mop world and don't want to spend a fortune, the BLACK + DECKER HSM13E1 is a solid starting point. It's a compact, lightweight model that's easy to store, easy to use, and surprisingly effective for its price. While it doesn't come with a pile of attachments or a long list of fancy features, it handles the basics well, and sometimes that's all you really need. Weighing in at just a little over 5 pounds, this mop is easy to move around even in tight hallways or under kitchen tables. The swivel steering gives it just enough flexibility to get around furniture without having to constantly stop and reposition. It's ready to go in about 30 seconds, and once it starts steaming, it holds a steady temperature that works well on sealed hard floors like tile, vinyl, and laminate. The included microfiber pads are absorbent and effective, pulling up a lot of grime without leaving streaks behind. While it won't blast away hardened gunk or deeply embedded dirt, it's more than capable of handling the everyday messes most people deal with. This steam mop is best for someone who just wants a basic, no-frills cleaner that's ready when they need it. It's great for apartments or smaller homes and works well as a grab-and-go cleaning tool. The downsides? The 0.38-liter water tank isn't huge, so you'll likely need to refill during longer cleaning sessions. And there's no detachable handheld unit or bonus features, but at this price, that's to be expected. Overall, the BLACK + DECKER HSM13E1 is a dependable little workhorse. It's not going to change your life, but if you're after a simple, affordable steam mop that gets the job done, this one earns its place on the list. Number 4. BISSELL SpinWave. The BISSELL SpinWave isn't your typical steam mop. In fact, it technically isn't a steam mop at all. It's more of a powered mop hybrid that uses cleaning solution and spinning pads to break down dirt and scrub floors clean. While purists might argue it doesn't belong in a steam mop lineup, it still earns a spot for how well it handles everyday grime with minimal effort on your part. At the heart of the SpinWave's design are its 2 motorized mop pads. These pads rotate as you guide the unit, doing the hard scrubbing for you. It feels more like a floor buffer in a compact form, and for sticky messes or dried-on spills, it's surprisingly effective. It's also quiet, noticeably quieter than most steam mops, and glides smoothly across surfaces. The 28-ounce water tank gives you plenty of cleaning time before needing a refill, and the pads themselves are machine washable, which is always a plus. The SpinWave is especially good for hardwood and vinyl plank floors, where you want to clean gently without risking water damage. Since it doesn't rely on steam, there's less moisture involved, which makes it safer for sensitive flooring. That said, this mop does require cleaning solution. BISSELL offers a natural option, but it's still something to keep in mind if you're looking to avoid all chemicals. And because there's no high heat, it doesn't sanitize the way true steam mops do. So who's this for? Someone who wants a deep clean without breaking the sweat. If you're more focused on how clean your floors look and feel than whether steam is involved, the SpinWave makes a strong case for itself. It's simple, effective, and just might surprise you with how much easier it makes your cleaning routine. Number 3. PurSteam Therma Pro 211. If you're looking for a steam mop that goes beyond floors, the PurSteam Therma Pro 211 might just hit the sweet spot. This one leans into versatility without going overboard on price, offering a 10-in-1 design that covers everything from basic floor cleaning to more detailed steaming jobs like grout, countertops, and even clothing. For the cost, it's surprisingly capable and packs in more features than you'd expect. At the core of the Therma Pro 211 is its detachable handheld steamer, which gives it far more flexibility than a standard upright-only model. With the main unit, you get a 340 milliliter water tank, adjustable steam control, and a selection of accessories that make switching between surfaces and jobs pretty smooth. It's ready to use in under 30 seconds, and once it gets going, it delivers a steady stream of steam that can handle tile, seal, hardwood, carpets using the included glider, and even windows or upholstery. This steam mop really earns its keep with the range of attachments it includes. Multiple heads and pads let you swap out for different surfaces or angles without needing to pull out a separate tool. It's especially helpful in tight areas like around toilets, kitchen backsplashes, or shower corners. And while it's not going to replace a heavy-duty handheld garment steamer, it does a decent job refreshing fabrics in a pinch. There are a few compromises to keep in mind. The plastic construction feels a bit lightweight and not all attachments snap in as seamlessly as you'd like, but for a budget-friendly all-rounder, it's tough to complain. If you're the type who wants one tool that can handle messes all around the house without stacking up extra gear, this one definitely punches above its weight. Number 2. Shark S8001. The Shark S8001 is one of the newer additions to Shark's Steam Mop lineup, and you can tell it's learned a few things from its predecessors. It feels more polished, more consistent, and better built for regular use in busy households. This isn't a flashy steam mop, but it is one that clearly had real-world cleaning in mind, especially for folks dealing with messes on a daily basis. One of the standout features here is the Steam Blaster mode, which delivers a more concentrated burst of steam for stuck-on messes or grout lines. Combine that with 3 steam levels, and you've got the flexibility to go from light cleaning to deep scrubbing without switching tools. The dual-sided pads are also a smart touch. You can clean with one side, then flip it over and keep going. With an XL 500ml water tank and a 22-foot cord, it's clearly designed to cover a lot of floor without interruption. It heats up quickly, just 30 seconds, and delivers a consistent stream of steam throughout the cleaning session. One full tank gives you about 20 minutes of cleaning time, which is more than enough for most rooms. What's really nice is how little moisture it leaves behind. Floors are nearly dry by the time you're done, which is perfect if you're tidying up before company arrives or don't want to wait forever to walk across the room. It does have a bit of weight to it, coming in just over 6 pounds, and switching out the mop pads while they're still warm can be a little awkward. But if you're cleaning often and want something sturdy, simple, and reliable, the Shark S8001 is a great option. It's consistent, efficient, and built for real everyday cleaning. Number 1. PurSteam ScrubMaster. The PurSteam ScrubMaster takes the top spot on our list for a simple reason. It delivers high-end performance at a price that's surprisingly reasonable. This model comes from a brand that's been quietly improving with each release, and the ScrubMaster feels like a culmination of those efforts. It's powerful, flexible, and easy to use, which makes it a smart pick for just about any home. Under the hood, it packs a 1500-watt motor that delivers a steady, strong stream of steam. It heats up in just 25 seconds, which means you're never waiting long to get started. The built-in handheld steamer adds a ton of versatility, and the long 16-foot cord gives you a wide cleaning range without constantly switching outlets. One small but clever design detail is the triangle-shaped mop head. It fits easily into corners and under low cabinets, which a lot of other mops tend to miss. Performance-wise, the ScrubMaster checks all the boxes. The steam output remains consistent throughout use, and it's strong enough to lift stuck-on grime while still being gentle on surfaces like sealed hardwood or laminate. The floor dries quickly with no puddles left behind, which is ideal if you have pets or kids running around. The detachable handheld unit adds even more value. Use it on bathroom sinks, mirrors, glass doors, or even car interiors. It's a true multi-surface machine. There are a couple of trade-offs. The water tank isn't huge at 380 milliliters, so you might need a quick refill during longer cleaning sessions. And with several included attachments, you'll want to keep them stored together to avoid losing them. Still, when you factor in performance, convenience, and price, a ScrubMaster stands out. It's a do-it-all mop that doesn't try too hard. It just works. There you have it. 5 steam mops that actually deliver. Whether you need something simple for quick cleanups or a more versatile option with extra features, there's something on this list for every kind of home. If this helped narrow things down, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one you're thinking about picking up. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.